How is she gonna wrap all of it?
That is why I like her. No, she does the thing well.
Guys, what if a ghost pops out from there?
Yhi fake na.
Arey. Oh god. Where is it from? Good morning, guys. New day, new vlog. Today we have a package that we have to open. It has some goodies. I'm gonna quickly unbox it with you guys. But before that, the sun is shining. The weather is sweet. I've already gotten ready for the day, so now I'm gonna quickly just ice my face. But before, hi Aji.
Hi, Papa.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Look at those trees. We can go ahead and unbox. Basically, I've ordered some skincare. I thought I'll just do my routine first and then apply some cream that I've got from here. These are the things that I have. So let's open it one by one. This is what is it? This is a complimentary body lotion. What is it? This is a face wash again from Plum. I've heard good reviews of this. So Skin Smooth Hair Serum by Tresemme. I saw a YouTuber using it and he had a good review on it, so I thought I'll give it a try. We have this thing. It's called Be Good. What is it? Oh yeah, it's again from Plum. It's a moisturizing gel for your skin. It's for my face. And then the most important thing that I have, like, I believe this is very important if you're following a skin care routine. The first one is face toner, Dot and Key. Highly recommended. It's really good. And then a sunscreen. It's like completely based on your preference. You can use any sunscreen you want. I usually use Deconstruct or Foxtail. Both of them are equally good. Today I have Foxtail. So okay, so it has got some rice water, they say. It looks so fancy, man. Just look at it. 2x hydration. Brighten skin in 2 weeks. I am using the Foxtail sunscreen. I'm gonna quickly take a very strong formulation. I usually use SPF 30 to 50 or below 50, anything, but let's see. So I have wet my hair a little bit, not wet actually, I have dampened them with some water. So they say you should do that before you apply some serum. I'm gonna quickly take some serum, spread it evenly on my fingers and apply the edges of my hair. Never apply your serum to your roots. It's not recommended. I used to do that earlier and it didn't turn out well. So always take this and like apply it towards the ends of your hair. Very lightly rub it on top. If possible, use a mirror. Obviously you are gonna use a mirror. I don't have it in front of me. I have a camera, so but there's a mirror on the side. Now I'll just quickly have something. Well, there's no lunch at home today, so I think I'm gonna grab something on my way to work, or let's see, I'll ask Granny what she has. But yeah, that's it for today. Now it's time to go to work and hustle for the day. I'll see you guys soon. If not a proper lunch, we can at least get a pack of chips to eat on our way to our work. And today's gonna be very hectic because I have a few expert calls to take on the way to work. So, oh god, look at those guys. These guys are so hardworking. They were working at night, and probably this is some other batch of workers, but they're still working. Hats off to you guys. Look at that girdle over there, hanging midair. So cool. Let's go and get ourselves some chips. Thank you. Got some chips and a snack bar. हाँ बोलना bro. My hair, they do look better. Like they're less dry and frizzy. But let's see if this stays throughout the day or not. Yep. There it is. Hello. Like a fool, I've forgotten my laptop and it's gonna cost me some time. How can I be so foolish? God save me. Yeah, this is the one. My bro. Why? Just why? One of those rare days when I'm working on my way to work. But yeah. Alright, now it's time to try these new popped potato chips. What brand is this? Banner and Co. Let's try them out. Okay. I like the texture. They look premium. Okay, let's try. My god, they're so good. Amazing. I love them. I'm gonna eat them more often, I guess. They're so soft and crispy at the same time. Love it. Please try it out. Eat seeds for a diet. Nice. Okay guys, have a look at the crowd over here. So crowded. I showed you yesterday how the crowd changes after 4 p.m. But this is the live crowd right now in the mornings. What Subway should I get? Thank you, ma'am. Just wondering, why is this duct over here? Guys, what if a ghost pops out from there? Good answer. Good answer, yes.
You will protect us, right?
I will protect myself.
Oh, did he just say that he nicely said he won't protect us?
No, I'll protect you guys. But first you guys have to answer. Arey haan bhai. I am a staunch feminist myself. I have one question for you. Does anyone of you know what is this duct for?
This is the. Isn't there lift here?
What? I cannot see any lift over here.
Bro, वो रहता है ना बिल्डिंग का क्या बोलते हैं उसको अभी अपने घर में भी देख वो बिल्डिंग का एक पार्ट रहता है जो बेस वो जो रहता है
अब the beam.
हाँ I don't know what it is called but it is that ये देखना इधर से ये मतलब वो रहता है
Yeah, I know.
how to explain it
That
एक
makes
घर में
sense.
भी देख तुम लोग के एक पार्ट ऐसे रहेगा
Duct असतो
थोड़ा
एक.
सा
There is a
बाहर,
duct, yeah.
जो अरे मतलब अभी ये है
Let's get something to eat. Have a dinner. What are you going to take, Rohan?
Huh?
What are you gonna?
I'll see. Subway maybe.
Of course, Subway.
very nice
I might take a cookie. What are you making?
Cookie from Subway and ice cream from Blue Dog.
Oh.
Best.
Okay, let's try that today.
वो bag में होगा. I also keep my
I
work
know.
phone in my bag.
Eva, Rohan, what is your dessert made of? It's a cookie from Subway and
Ice cream from Blue Token.
Blue
Only
Tokai.
for 42 rupees.
42 rupees. Okay, let's try that dessert.
What is this? Cheese paneer, right?
What did you drink, bro?
I had 3 Red Bulls and 2 Americanos.
What are you having now?
Food.
What food?
I think it's the wrap is not the choice that I would have made for myself.
Okay.
I like the spinach tortilla, but they only have multigrain. Turns out a lot of people like spinach like that.
But you have the best Subway maker over there. She
Both
makes.
of them are pretty nice actually.
Yes,
Yeah.
I was talking about the female. Male में तो he's there only.
No, he's not always there, and she's also not always.
No,
there.
he's there
Sometimes
during
रहते
the night. She's there during the
हैं,
day.
दोपहर में भी रहते हैं.
आज आप नहीं थे भैया दोपहर में. मैं आया था. अच्छा 3 बजे. He's from a different shift. I came in the morning.
दोपहर में आके रहते हैं, वो भी रहते हैं, and ये दो ही ढंग का बनाते हैं.
Yeah, yeah. I take it from both of them only most of
अभी
the time.
ऑप्शन थोड़ी है, कोई और भी रहेगा तो लेना तो पड़ेगा.
तो फिर मैं रिटर्न मारता हूँ. How is she gonna wrap all of it?
That is why I like her. No, she does the thing well.
She's a pro.
Yeah, real.
Bro, it is almost a burrito.
As it should be.
And we have matching pair of shoes with the outfit. So Feral, tell us. Yep. Where did you get those shoes?
These are Skechers, the Uno version.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, from Ranveer Singh's advertisement I got them.
Oh, damn fancy, bro.
So just
They look crazy good. Yep. We are at Blue Tokai. We are waiting for our ice cream to eat with our Subway cookie. This is Rohan's dessert recipe that we are trying today. And look at the collection of croissant that they have. Which ice cream?
Vanilla. You want some else?
No, I'll try whatever you.
Vanilla, and then you put the cookie inside.
Oh god. It's gonna be so good. Where is Sada? I fucked it up and Feral is fixing it. Thank you, bro.
Senior associate, junior associate.
Yeah.
sure, this is what we actually help our associates.
This is how it's done. How is it, bro? Too good?
Okay, so Chinmay, you're gonna try it. Recipe by
Oh god. Where is it from? What's up, Amla?
Hi, bro. How are you?
I'm good. What happened to you? You sound like Phoebe when she had sardi.
I'm just high. I don't sleep.
High on sleep, bro. That's true. Hey, Pranav रहेगा ना अंदर?
नहीं प्रणव गया.
He left?
Yes. Sarah.
Okay, guys. Done for the day. Again a hectic day, but amazing day. Like I enjoyed every single minute of it. Now it's time to go back home and relax. No one's here. Look at it. Oh, empty. It's only us. I like it.
आपको मैं कितने साल की लगती हूँ?
कौन आज मेरा?
वो रोहन घाटकोपर.
बोला था क्या मैं? मालूम था मेरे को.
चले.
Chalo, good night. Let's go home. This walk from here to there is the best walk of my life because at this time I'm realizing that I'm gonna go back home and actually rest. Today was amazing. All in all, a good day, but now it's time to go back home and relax.